So I don't know if that's adhesive or just residual. Yeah.
Give me this first. Yeah, it's usually
Pretty
attached to the
baby.
hair.
Hi, Mama. Good girl.
Now I even use one of my razors like for my face. It's not necessary.
It's not. Just
Okay.
like I said, the only thing is just basically for us right now. I need to try if you
Oh,
can.
that's right.
That got all the adhesive off actually.
Yes.
And you're using alcohol?
No. The shaving is what gets the adhesive off. This is chlorhexidine. You can use alcohol. We need just to basically to clear the area from any like debris or
Okay.
anything.
You can see and hurry on back there.
Okay, go. Let it dry for a minute. So basically, this is the area.
Sticker,
That
right?
is the needle right
Right.
there. Yes.
Yep.
So
Oh, you actually put it on the sticker and not on her skin.
okay.
Couple drops, it looks like.
Yep. 2 drops right there.
Good.
And just try to stretch the skin. Kind of get it to this way, all around, and here we go.
Oh, it's still drifter. And
It's
you're
okay.
holding it for a little bit.
Yeah, you're gonna have to hold it at least for like 15 seconds, just for the glue
Okay.
to do that.
I didn't do that either.
It's okay.
That's a good girl, Jim.
The instructions said nothing about glue.
I know, because they do
It's for humans. I know. That's why mine didn't work.
Yes. So some doctor will do the glue after, like around the edges.
I saw that online.
Yes, and some doctors will do it on this actual sticking thing.
Yeah, you can't even see the edges on these Libre 3 one.
And I guess you just stick it out, right?
You're okay, Mama. Stay.
It stayed. Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
And
are
that's
you gonna?
smaller than the last ones.
Yeah, they're smaller. Now, do you put any of the glue around after or no?
Like I said, it is part of it already came around, but you don't need after
Okay.
or anything like that.
I bought the stickers on Amazon that go on top that kind of keep
Yes.
it down, and so that's what I was gonna do.
Yeah, you can do that too.
Okay, great.
Okay.